Welcome to Pip Insight. Friday the 10th of July, Asian pre-open. This session we have analyzed 8 Forex pairs and selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture, 5 showing bullish structure and 2 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's Asian pre-open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure: gold dollar, pound dollar, dollar yen, Kiwi dollar, pound yen. Pairs showing bearish structure: dollar Swiss, dollar Canada. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you've been waiting for the gold segment, here it is, and there's plenty to unpack heading into the Asian session open. Gold is sitting at roughly $4,133 right now, and the honest read on this market is neutral with a weak lean. After a sharp sell-off drove price all the way down to $4,032 on July 8th, that's a brutal drop. Buyers stepped back in and staged nearly a 120-point recovery. Impressive, but momentum is now fading. On the 4-hour chart, the EMAs are flat and converging around $4,115 to $4,117, and price is essentially coiling just below a resistance band that has rejected multiple advances between $4,147 and $4,160. The 1-hour uptrend is intact but losing steam, and on the 15-minute chart we're seeing an extremely tight compression, candle bodies of just 1 to 3 points over the last several hours. That kind of coiling often precedes a directional move once Tokyo liquidity starts flowing. On the fundamental side, today's calendar is light for gold. The Fed monetary policy report drops but carries low expected impact. That said, any commentary touching interest rate outlook or dollar strength could still nudge sentiment, given how closely gold tracks inverse dollar moves and broader risk appetite. Heading into the session, $4,115 is the key floor to watch. Losing it opens the door toward $4,100. To the upside, $4,147 to $4,160 remains the ceiling that bulls need to clear. Pound dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside. Resistance is marked between 1.3427 and 1.3431. Support is marked between 1.3385 and 1.3389. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar yen. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside. Resistance is marked between 162.6 and 162.72. Support is marked between 162.24 and 162.3. Here is the full chart breakdown.
Dollar Swiss. The chart is showing tentative bearish structure on this session. The 1 hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 0.8078 and 0.8087. Support is marked between 0.8052 and 0.806. Here is the full chart breakdown.
Kiwi dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1 hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.5775 and 0.5782. Support is marked between 0.5731 and 0.5737. Here is the full chart breakdown.
Dollar Canada. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside. Resistance is marked between 1.4185 and 1.419. Support is marked between 1.4149 and 1.4156. Here is the full chart breakdown.
Pound yen. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 217.93 and 218.01. Support is marked between 217.34 and 217.43. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the Asian pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We covered 8 pairs this session, bringing you the ones with the clearest chart structure. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. We publish 3 times every weekday: London, New York, and the Asian session. Follow us on X at Forex Insight for updates. See you next time.